NewTek's helped me grow a lot by the fact that we can produce way faster and way more efficiently with less cost than anybody else in our area. Hi, I'm Riley Hayes, owner of Riley Hayes Roofing and Construction from Little Rock, Arkansas. A business that I started 14 years ago. We primarily do commercial, residential, metal. We serve Central Arkansas, but we go throughout the entire state of Arkansas. I went to college and my parents said, hey, you have to have a job. So I found the highest paying job at the time, which was driving the roof loading truck for the supplier. And I learned that I was not afraid to get on roofs when most people were. So at that point, I worked there for 4 years and thought I was gonna go get a corporate job that paid you a lot of money and you sat at a desk and had an easy gig. And then the economy crashed right when I graduated in 2008. And I became a catastrophe insurance adjuster. And at that point, I had roofing and insurance knowledge already. And one day just decided to step out on my own. I would say it was extremely nerve-wracking, but I was too young to realize it. I didn't have anything to lose. So I started from nothing with nothing. So I would say my customer is actually a very broad range of folks. We work from everybody from general contractors down to the actual end user of a homeowner. We do residential and commercial, the full gamut. Some industrial even. So we do pretty much anything you can think of that goes on the roof. That's what we do. Started in shingles for sure. And then we started venturing into commercial roofing, more with flat roof sections, not metal per se. And then I would say about 8 years ago, I kind of saw the writing that, a lot of people want metal accent roofs, full house roofs, and building roofs were becoming more prominent being metal. And so I kind of just started learning the process, taking some courses. The turning point for me, I went down and did tarp jobs after some hurricanes and ended up staying and rebuilding some stuff, and they were all metal roofs. I was waiting 8 weeks on material at that point, and that's how I came to NewTek, is I said, I can't do this. They would tell you an 8-week wait time, and you might wait 16 weeks. So that's when I started venturing into, all right, how do I fully encompass this in my shop and self-perform essentially the actual roll forming of the panels. I bought my first NewTek. It's an SSQII, and I bought it 3 years ago. I have the 1-inch snap lock, the 1.75-inch snap lock, 2-inch mechanical lock, the soffit, and trapezoid panel. I would say residentially, 1-inch snap lock is probably more prominent, just because it's a gentler profile, easier to install with a lot of transitions. On commercial, 1.75 or 2-inch is gonna be your most prominent. If you have a lower slope and it needs to be mechanical, we're gonna do a 2-inch panel. I actually have been around some NewTek gutter machines. When I started doing research, I knew how reliable they were. And so I kind of already ventured towards the NewTek because it seemed more comfortable to me. But the ultimate reason is the user friendliness, the customer service, and just the ease of use as a whole. NewTek's helped me grow a lot by the fact that we can produce way faster and way more efficiently with less cost than anybody else in our area. Being able to produce, actually getting it to production, it's saved us 75%. I mean, on time-wise, rather than having to go to a supplier, give them a drawing, wait for the quote for 2 weeks, then wait another 8 weeks. Whereas now, I usually will get a quote back in 1 day on a coil, and then we have it here and run it through the NewTek in less than 2 weeks. I learned my first year in business, I did all the repairs myself. I had a guy that was a helper that had some knowledge, and I just dove in and read trade publications and took training courses, had suppliers bring people in to help me. I used the NRCA website for a lot of knowledge, but real world experience, and through NewTek's partnership and Sheffield partnership, I use you guys' website and learn the proper way that you recommend to put it down, and call your technical departments and just make sure that they are on board with what we're thinking. When we drive around with our machine or take it to a job site, it's almost a novelty still. It attracts attention immediately. It's free advertising like that, because everybody wants to know, how does it work? Wow, why does it do that? And how did you put all this together? So when they see the NewTek, it's like a crowd forms around you if you're at the right spot. They all want to watch it work. Everyone likes to see that it comes out of coil and then you run it through and it's now a panel. I've had 3 or 4 contractors in the past 6 months that have seen us, and now we're doing work for them. People come back because we do what we say. We're gonna screw up like everybody else, but if I screw up, we fix it. With the NewTek, it gives me the ability to fix it immediately if I've got the wrong length panel. You just run another one. And that's another added benefit. You know, you measure, put it right in the machine, and it spits it out. You can double check your measurements. It's never off more than 1/8 of an inch if you set it right. I think the SSQII is going to be a great machine. It answers a lot of questions from contractors who have been working with these machines that said, hey, it would be nice if I could see through the windows down into my machine working and actually kind of verify that everything is rolling through there great. I like the Z cutter. That's an amazing aspect. And then the flip up portion at the end, they're all just pretty phenomenal aspects that everyone asked for, but it wasn't there until now. I think that NewTek is the greatest partner I could have as far as the machines go. Highly recommend NewTek machinery if you're looking into getting a roll forming machine. Shout out to Riley Hayes Roofing. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or our website.